Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia. This espresso machine came in with a PID installed. We'll start with the steam. It's already up there at 254 degrees. There's nice strong steam. We'll temper this down to brewing temperature. Open that a little wider, get that down. That should be enough. There we go, 204, 205. Let's get it down just a little bit more. All right. Now with the PID, we'll let it climb back up. But here we have a shot all tamped and measured. And here we are, we're right at 200 degrees. That's a pre-infusion set. Now brew. We didn't change the settings. This is how it came in with this. There you have it. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.